start the other camera. Okay, so now I'm starting the other camera. It's 2:15, February 29, Saturday. Okay, you can see that in this camera, and you can see it in that camera over there. Yes, I have the other camera going. Okay, have one going at one. Anyway, one's at right angles to the other, and so on and so forth. So now, what I have here is I have found in my stuff. This is a Sony. Well, maybe if you can see in the light, let's see here. If I hold it so you can read it in the Facebook thing. I don't know if I can get this that close or how close it will go, but it is a. Trying to do this with the room light and all that, but that's the model number. It's a, what does it say? WM-F50/70. All right. And now for the benefits of the YouTube people, let's see, you can hit the zoom. Okay, so hit the zoom, and what did I say? It's this one right there. So I'm trying to hold it steady, but it is a, as you can see, it's Sony, and then all that whatever upside down and backwards, and then F50/F70. Okay, anyway, so let me zoom out with this phone, or the camera, excuse me. Okay, so zoom, 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 zoom. That's too far for that one. I want to say this full frame if I can. Alright, great. So now that I've got that going on, I want to show you, this looks like a standard WM-F10, except this has more bulbous and it's a bit rounded, and it still takes a battery in the bottom here, unlike, okay, if you open this up, it doesn't expand. It simply takes a cassette fully in size. So this is larger than a WM-10. Sorry I don't have one to compare, but it has the same reels as on the inside. Okay, there's really not much to see on the inside. It's got the similar drive wheels here, right? And of course, now this one, the belt doesn't, well, can you hear that? The motor's running. So that's fast forwarding. Hit stop and it does that. Go there for that one. The motor runs and stops just a bit, but I don't think the YouTube camera can hear that, but that's neither here nor there. I just want to show you that if I put the selector switch here, which just has the tuning knob and then the radio thing, I have this plugged into a pair of these things here. So here's a pair of these. All right. If I ramp up the volume a little bit, where's the volume? The volume's on the back side, just like it does on the F10. So, and of course we can tune it. So I have to zoom out with that camera because I really just can't see everything. So I'm having too much fun. But anyway, so yeah, so that's fully wired out for them. So that's what this is. It's, you know, really there. And of course you can tune the radio, you know, so it just, I don't know if it's boring or what, but, so, well, it's pretty finicky, you know, it's because it's just a little tiny dial here, so, but I really want to get the cassette deck to working in this, but the cassette deck doesn't work. I can hear the motor run, and that's about it. This takes one AA battery, okay, so if I take the battery out, just pull that out, and I've got a rechargeable Radiovac 4.0 whoopee battery in there. Okay, so that's what's in there. Okay, I just wanted to show you that, and also, well, you know, that's all I know. So there's the battery out of here. There's no tape in here. There's that. The speakers work. Okay, great. So without further ado, I want to go to putting that down. I want to get this box here. All right, so here is this box. I want the remote again, right? So I want the remote because here is this box, okay? I'm going to turn it so y'all can see it. So focus. See the date, okay? Yeah, I have several things that I have bought over the years and have not. Let me zoom in for the YouTube people so they can see it. Let's see here. Hold it up about here, okay? Hold it up about there and zoom. All right, so Zoom, 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 zoom. Hold it down. How much closer can we get? Wow, that's a good zoom. There we go. So there's the date. And like that. So, yes, I have not opened this since whenever. Sorry. Just hasn't happened. Okay, so here it is in all its glory. And the reason why I'm showing, I wanted to make this video is I haven't made a video in such a long time, and this is just silly stuff, but there's supposed to be 2 of these inside, alright? 2 of these, but not this variety, not the FM model, just simply the 2 of the pink models like this, but pink in color, because the guy couldn't. He said one was salmon colored and the other one's whatever, but the thing is, that's a ridiculous sized box to be shipping, you know, one of these in. So, oops, lost one of my pieces of tape. Okay, anyway, there we go. So now let me get some scissors. I've got batteries handy. Okay, so I got batteries handy. And here we go. It says here, it's not my handwriting, but, you know, the original guy's handwriting, but there it is. So just another boring, long, what's happening here? Losing my, coming off of my hand. So open this, all right, so open that, and then open this, and should open this from the bottom. Matter of fact, let's do that. Let's open it from the bottom. Why? Because it takes more time, but also it reserves the address on the front for later picture taking, and also gives me an idea as to. Okay, so there we go. So that, this, that, and then let's see here. So now just. All right, so. Okay, so. Yeah. And we got newspaper, okay. Yeah, we got newspaper, okay, so let's put the scissors down. We don't need to hurt anybody, or at least not me, so. There we go, here's one. Would have done fine just like by that, but there's one. And then here's the other one. Okay, great, so yeah, there was 2 in here. I couldn't remember that I'd bought 2 of them at the same time from the same guy. That anyway, so and now let's see. Let me dig through here because there's a whole bunch of newspaper. Just, I don't know if I've ever done this, but someone sent me a whole bunch of paper, so let's see. This is what, well, this is advertisement for, I thought it would have a date on here, but September 2015. Okay, so that's how far back this paper was. Alright, so much for that. So now let me get to undoing these little things here. Okay, so here's this one here, so just, oh gosh. So just, there we go. And, well, you can't see it, but here I'm still trying to get this open. Alright, so, yeah, that, this, alright, so, yeah. Come on, people, so now just, yeah, golly, people. Can't you just use one piece of tape, just hold the thing closed, and you don't have to make it to those, all kind of, like, who's going to come into this thing? Okay, so here we are, there we go. So it's a, this is not pink to me. This is some, I don't know, not pink. It's more of a reddish orange or something. I'm not sure. But there is that one. But let me put it down for a moment and just get to unwrapping the other one here. So, oh, it looks like he maybe learned and didn't use too much wrapping on this one. Oh yeah, great. So, okay, so here we go. I'm getting to it. So here's the other one, right? So, like I said, here's one, there's the other. Great. Okay, so unwrap that. And yeah, oh, they are different colored. How about that? So, here is both of them together. All right, so here's a Sony, like that and that. Okay, so that and that. Okay, so, and then for y'all, it's let's see here, get out the zoom thing. All right, so get out the zoom, hit the right button. Okay, so zoom, 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 zoom. Let's see here. Hold them against me, kind of, and then get my head out of the way and get the color in. Here, can I zoom in more? Let's see, zoom. There we go. So there's the two different colored ones I have here. Wait. Well, okay, there we go. Now, can I to display? Can I hit that and let display go off? Well, that lost some of that stuff. Anyway, so that's what these look like. These are both. Okay, this one. Okay, that's interesting. That's got the pink in it like that. This has got, yeah, like that. This has got pink in there, right? And they both look like this, and then they both have, you know, that on the top, like that, and then I don't know, and they look like, you know, that on the bottom. They both take, you know, so they're both all there. But let's see here. Okay, I'm trying to do two different things at the same time. So I got Facebook over there, and I got a YouTube video going there. And let's see if I hit the display, because I don't know how much time I've used on this thing. I can't see it. I have to. Oh God, where is it? Oh gosh, I don't. Okay, reading the wrong thing. 1220. Okay, so 1220 on that one. All right. Okay, so 1220 on that. So let me hurry up and plug in my. Let's see. Well, it's not gonna hurt. Okay. This doesn't have a radio, so let me just take this here and just do that. Hit this. Open it up. There it is. Okay, so open it up for y'all, and I can't zoom in all the time. Okay. It's got a very clean interior. For the battery compartment, it's nice and shiny. I can see that. Y'all can't, but anyway, so we put that in, hit that, and then, so the motor runs up and spins. I can hear it. I don't know if y'all can on this one. Hit stop, and so you hear that. It roared up and played, or tried to play, but nothing. Those don't work. So okay, so much for that one. So now let's take a battery out. Take this battery out of here. All right. So, well, so there we go. There's the battery out. Okay. Hit that. Put that here. Okay, so take the same battery here and put it into this one here, which is this. You pull this down, pull that out. Okay. Take the battery and you put it in like that. There. Put it in. Press it up. Okay, great. And then hit. So again, this one looks like that on the inside, but this one doesn't do anything. This one might have. Let's make sure. Let's plug in something to the. Oops, there goes everything. Okay. Let's plug in something to this, because on the WM-10s they have a little switch built into the headphone jack that if you don't plug in something it won't work. But I'm not so sure about this model. Again, so it doesn't do anything. Alright, so this one's just dead. Alright, this one's dead. The other one, the motor spins up. Okay, and just so I'm not fooling anybody about this, let's see here. Taking this very same battery out. Again, let me hold that battery. Okay. Hold that battery on that camera. Take it back to this one here, right? So this one here is the one with the radio in it, right? So put it in, put it there, right? Put that in, and then get my headphones, or not my headphones, but my my speaker things, right? So speaker things, and you know, there we're back to tunes, or lack of. Let's see here. See if I come down to. Yeah, you sit here and try to tune one of these things. Just anyway, is that full blast? That's full blast. Well, I had it on station earlier, but it does work, and that's all I'm going to say here. Just I'm not really interested in playing the radio on one of these things, getting one of these things carried around. You can get a radio a lot smaller. Heck, I got FM radio on my phone, but I've never used it. So let me just turn this off, take the battery out, and I'm just going to say good day. But I'll wave this thing around. So look at the other thing. If I've, oh gosh, let's see here. Just there we go. That's out. This is out. That's out. Put that there. Pick this up. Okay, fine. Pick this up. What was this? Where did this come from? That's just. Okay, that's nothing. All right. So that, this, that. All right. So now just pick this up. All right. Pick that up. All right, and then.